Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to create a PDF file by using iTextSharp DLL and your C Sharp application. So when you click this create PDF button, a PDF file called test PDF generates, and in that I have shown you how to enter a paragraph or how to write a paragraph in that PDF file. In this video, I will show you how to add a list to that PDF. So for example, we have some list and we want to show it in this PDF. So how can we show that in the PDF? I will show you today. So let's get started. I will close everything first and I will go to the design and double click it. And this code I have shown you in the last video, so you must have remember that. So in this code, just go above your doc.close code and I will make a little space, and in here write this code. So write list and give it a variable name is equal to new list, in the bracket list dot unordered. So this is the type of list you want. So for example, you want unordered, or you want ABCDE, so alphabetical, numerical, lowercase, ordered. So you can choose from this what kind of list you want. So right now I want a unordered list, so I select this, but you can choose according to your requirement. Then copy this variable and just paste it here and write dot add, and in the bracket write new list item, and in the bracket write the content of your list. So for example, I am giving the first string of the list, so that's why I've written 1. Then in the same way, copy this list variable and paste it here, dot add the second item of the list, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Okay, so write this we don't require right now. So okay, so for creating a simple list, you just have to write this code. Okay, so when we run the program once again, username and password, and I click create PDF and I check my PDF once again. So when I double click it, you see a simple unordered list is made by the PDF creator. Okay, now I will show you how to create some other kind of list with this code. So this is a simple list, and now I will show you this different kind of list. So now suppose you want to give the indent to your list. So what I mean by indent is this all are in same line, but if you have seen lists, it has some indent, so it just not start from this corner of the page, but it must start a little bit space it gives, and then from here, for example, and from here it starts. So that's called indentation. I will show you what it is. So just see in the code, just come to the code and paste this line after your list declaration here. So list is equal to new list. This you have already seen, and just to provide the indentation to your list, just write this list dot indentation left. So if you write indentation left, so it will give the indentation to the left side of the page is equal to 30f. So this is the parameter. You can increase or decrease it according to your requirement, 25 or whatever you want to give, 35. Okay, and now if you have seen this it looks like this. Keep in mind, and when I run the program and username and password once again, and when I click this button, if you don't close this PDF file, see what error it gives. So it will give me the process cannot access the file. So this is because you haven't closed this file while running your program. So you need to close this file first and then run your program, otherwise it will give the error. I wanted to show you this, that's why I have not closed the PDF file. Now once again I click this button with no error, and then I will see the text file once again, and you see it has, the list has some indentation. This normal paragraph starts from here, but the list starts from here. Okay, so that's what is indentation. So you can give the indentation like this. Now I will show you some other feature of the list. So suppose you want to give or make a Roman numbered list. Okay, so that has a Roman number before them. So how can you make a list which have Roman numbering? So I will delete this all code and I will paste the new code here. So write Roman list is equal to, or give it a variable name, is equal to new Roman list, and in the bracket write true and comma 20. Okay, so up to 20 it can take. Then write Roman list dot indentation, that I have shown you a while ago, and then add, just copy this variable and add a list like you have created before, and just add this list in the document. Okay, so doc.add and this Roman list, and now when you run the program, and when you click this create PDF, and when you see the PDF once again, you will see the no Roman number are before the list. So this is how you can create a Roman numbered list. Okay, now I will show you how to create a list inside a list. So you have a list and you want to show a list inside that list. How can you do that? I will show you now. So we have this Roman list which we have created just before. So we are going to use this Roman list. I will just delete this addition to the document here, the last code, and I will use this code to the further code. So we want list inside the list. So first list is this, and we will make a second list which I have shown you in at first time. So this is a list with Roman initialization, and this is the list with normal list, which this time I have added ordered list in here. Okay, and you just need to add this code also, list dot set list symbol and in the bracket write /u 2022. Okay, and this is the indentation which I am giving. So the Roman list has indentation 30, and the normal list I will give the indentation of 40, for example. Okay, and this here also 40. So create these two lists, and for example I want to show this Roman list inside this normal list. So what I will do is I will go here and I will write list dot add, and in the bracket I will just copy this Roman list variable and I will paste it inside this list. Okay, so it will show a list 1 2 3 and then a Roman list and then the other 4 and 5. So let's see how it looks like. So I will run the program, username and password, and now I click this create PDF, and when I see the program now, it hasn't created anything. Probably I haven't build my program, so I will build it. Okay, so I built my program and it's built, but yeah, I forgot this. I forgot to add this list to the document, so I will write a doc dot add in the bracket and bracket closed, and I passed this list variable. So I haven't passed this list variable, that's why the list is not showing. So just write this and the whole code is like this. And when I run the program once again, to and create PDF, and I will check the PDF once again, and now you can see a list inside a list. So this is first list and this is the Roman list inside the first list. So in this way you can give a list inside a list. Okay, so in this way you can add a list to the PDF file. So I hope you have learned to make some different kind of list for your PDF today, and I hope you have learned something new also this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.